Welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block spam messages on Android phone. So if you will get a lot of spam messages on your message app and you just want to block it off, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your message app, and be it Google or your phone's message app, anyone is going to work for you. So what you're going to do is click on the settings. So for here, it's actually Google Message. That's why I can actually access my profile. So you're going to scroll down. You can see where it says spam and blocked. You see all the spam messages that got blocked because of what I did. So you click on that and you're going to scroll down to where it says messages settings. Click on that and you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down until you see protection and safety. Click on protection and safety and you can see I turned this on, so you can equally just turn yours on, and any message that comes with that is a spam, it's going to actually be blocked automatically. You can see one message blocked in the last 14 days. So the other way, you can actually go to your phone settings to actually do the same thing. You can just quickly search using the search bar, just search for spam and click on that. You can see enable spam protection. Click on that and also toggle this on. So once you toggle that on, you're good to go. So this is literally how to block all spam messages in your Android phone. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.